Do you have a minute? Follow me. My job today is to put the compressors and low-pressure turbines back together. Me and my team make sure we do things by the book to deliver an immaculate engine. We're lucky to work on a whole array of engines, even latest generation VBEs like the Gen X and Leap. It's a meticulous precision job where you have to stay focused. That's what I really like about it. I'm super proud to help thousands of aircraft fly all over the world.